Well, he talk me. But Jaden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bring on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this latest project from Vybz Kartel and Shopdown Records will be controversial to say the least. It will also be very motivational and inspirational as well. Vybz Kartel is teaching life lessons here. The teacher make the comparison between pens and pencils, mistakes of the youth and mistakes of adults. As a matter of fact, yeah, as a matter of fact, of course, we have to make the teacher himself explain it or say what he say, and then we can discuss all that is being said. So you know more than look and yes, more than listen.
Yo, Shopdown, you know why? Little people use pencil and big people use pen. Cause you say I pick me, you mistake them can't rub off.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, and for better or for worse, who more fitting to address the youth, address even some of the adults them too as well, and consequences of actions. Now, viewers and subscribers, for the people with the peace of brain, the small-minded individuals, this has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel current situation. Absolutely nothing. What the teacher take the time out for do is to steer the youth on the right path, viewers and subscribers. We don't need the correctional facilities to tell you, but we need to admit guilt. No, what kind of admit guilt and we are innocent? We are point out, however, that mistakes made as youth, sometimes they can, overcome. Yeah, we're not gonna say you can erase them from memory like how Jay-Z can rub them out. But, you can learn from them and move on. As you become an adult, you find that even if they put out certain music, Vybz Kartel has said this, and everything with Vybz Kartel was an entertainer, Adidja Palmer would agree with. But remember, music, you have to have that wow factor in music, and Vybz Kartel has always known this. So Vybz Kartel has said things that, for the entertainment value. For the entertainment value. But that has also stepped on the toes of certain powers that be, certain high profile figures in society. And one of the reasons why they dislike Vybz Kartel. When the teacher said the thing about, you see me? In the school bus. Don't do it at the school bus. People that feel like say it was a little bit too late. Because they already brand Vybz Kartel as the voice of the music that was inspiring the youth to do certain actions. While Vybz Kartel point out say no, music is music, and I will take the time out to use my platform to tell the youth say no, that is not necessarily the way. That is not the way for you. Focus on academics. Focus on matters at hand. And the matters at hand for the youth of get an education and move forward as young adults. Now, viewers and subscribers, it's key to point out that as we get older and as people start to put in a certain bracket, a certain demographic, it is hard. It is hard for you to live up or above mistakes that you have made in the past at this point in time because of the music. People still question Vybz Kartel and his innocence. People still wonder if the artist is innocent because he have some songs, some hardcore songs, which I am saying was made for the entertainment factor. Won't expect we are talking about lyrical content, something to make you smile, something to motivate you. If the teacher not talk things about, as I would say, subject matter like this, we are talking about real world scenarios. When we can draw upon personal experiences and tell you about things you have in a theme life so we can inspire and motivate you. You have different songs where we are talking about music, riches, and the ladies. And we just put out music where the people can love and appreciate. Remember, And all the time the artist and make a song, it's gonna be based upon theme life. It can be based upon a true story, but not his life. Remember, the artist are the voice, are the ghetto. Just like what Vybz Kartel book name. So experiences might be experienced by other members of the community. I must still put it into music. Because I am an entertainer. I am the voice of the voiceless. The people from my community who do not have a platform to go out there and say, yo, this is what life is like for us. Them not have that platform there. But I have that platform. And I choose to put it out in music. So the people can know what life is like for people who grew up in communities where I grew up in. But people still demonize the artist. And not just Vybz Kartel, the whole part of the artists face the same situation. Because you put out a certain type of music because you're from a particular community. So say it, I would say you must have that mindset. You must still like the people from over your place. You must appreciate the same things them where the people over your place appreciate. It can be true. These matters can be matters of importance to me because I also am from the community. Our family members still residing in the community, or maybe me myself still living at the same place. So the matters of importance to that community, of course, will be important to me. But that means that we are all of one mindset. No, we are not all of one mindset. Them always say this: 7 brothers have 7 different mindsets. So why all of a sudden when you want fit people in a box, when you want paint a picture, you say, man, all of them stay the same way. So all of us stay the same way. If 7 brothers being raised in the same household can have 7 different mindsets. You just like we use words and saying when it's convenient for uno. That's how we say I go on. But this track is something dancehall music I need. Especially them young youth where I get up nowadays and feel like so they make it. Producer buy them car. Them fly out overseas, them get some clothes, some look a small accolade, live in a rent house. And listen, a persona of an artist is very important. So when you see them buy the Benz and them dress a certain way and them rent the house on the hills, is a reason. There is a reason for it. But when you got hype on the people in your own community, your own brother and sister them from your community, and I say, oh, but make it and you don't make it out, you for go. You for go. We're not supporting artists where I do that. We're not supporting the artists where I receive some small accolades and I use them for hype on poor people. We need to know that when I get older, and we will always remember as the people make it from the ghetto and start this ghetto people. I feel like we're not in the longevity of the music. No found now go to 2021 of the music. You know? We are watching music from quite some time now, and we realize that no found it here today and gone tomorrow. Majority I want to, because you have only for artists that do extremely well in 2017. Where them they know? Where them they know? And nothing happens to them. Them in a good health. Them songs just now hit. And them a record music to wanna put it out. People just now pay attention. It's a hell of a thing to put out your song on the platform and nobody now look on you. Enough artists that put out song and nobody now look on them viewers and subscribers. So I definitely food for thought. As something to be considered by young artists, the way them conduct themselves in the industry after them find themselves, say, yo, them probably have a name in the game. The teacher said the difference between pitney and adults. You have to remember, once you ever thrive in musical career, well, it depends on your age still. But after a certain amount of success in the music, you have to look on the music as an adult. You are no longer a child. So your mistakes can't just get rubbed out like you write them with pencil. No, they are more permanent in the form of a pen ink. It can wash off, but it go hard. People will always remember the stain will be there. And Vybz Kartel has made his name in dancehall music. Nobody can dispute that. I am saying though, even though Vybz Kartel particular situation is one way, it's being discussed all over the world. The teachers still at the time out to point out to the youth them say, watching them man. Be wise. Be wise in decision making. Remember, say, yo, we're not pitney and write right now school book. Or we can rub it out on a grade 4 and grade 5 days. We are adults and certain decisions do have repercussions depending on the magnitude of your actions. Yeah, taking up an item that is not yours has its repercussions. And we know you can escalate it further than that. Yeah, people will take a life. Think about it. A food for thought. And while they're behind the cell, and you forward to your senses and to your right mind, you will not be able to get out. Just so. And the teacher can tell you about that process there. So I don't feel like there is any other dancehall artist fitting are more fitting but talk to the youths than Vybz Kartel himself? And if you agree, talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you're just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as up on the platform. Like icon, little share icon in close proximity. Use them up. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, of course, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions right there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. So I'll move settings spam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.